Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Metal Gear Solid Snake Eater not launching, crashing, or the fatal error out of memory, on your PC. First thing I want you to do is just right click on your game on Steam from the library, click on properties, and then here under launch options I want you to just type in -DX12, DirectX 12 basically, and try that to launch the game, or you can try -DX11 as well. Now, once you've done that, you can also go ahead and disable the Steam overlay. Toggle this one off, right? Under properties, toggle that off. And what you can also do is just run the game. And then on the menu, click on options. And then click on graphics. And make sure you use windowed mode. Okay, that usually helps a lot of people as well. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash this like button and subscribe to App Mentor.